Pleasant. Welcome to one and all. Now we are going to study about the topic a 7-step problem solving cycle. Video lecture and e-content created by author R.D.Sivakumar, MSc MPhil Tech, Assistant Professor of Computer Science and Assistant Professor and Head, Department of MCom CA, CYCLE-R.D.Sivakumar College, Sivagasi. Mobile 09944042243. Email sivamsccsite@gmail.com. Website www.rdsivakumar.blogspot.in. Co-author K. Yogeshwari, MCom CA, CYCLE-R.D.Sivakumar College, Sivagasi. A 7-step problem solving cycle. There are a variety of problem solving processes, but each process consists of a series of steps, including identifying an issue, searching for option, and putting a possible solution into action. It is useful to view problem solving as a cycle because sometimes a problem needs several attempts to solve it, or the problem changes. To solve a problem, take the steps one at a time. Step 1. Identify the problem. The first step you need to take is to identify and name the problem so that you can find an appropriate solution. Sometimes you might be unsure about what the problem is. You might just feel general anxiety or be confused about what is getting in the way of your goals. If it is a personal problem, you can ask yourself, your friends, or a counselor, what is the problem which is getting in the way of me achieving a goal, and you can consult with your superior and to clarify the issue. Explore the problem. Step 2. What you are clear about what the problem is, you need to think about it in different ways. You can ask yourself questions such as, how is this problem affecting me? How it is affecting others? Who else experience this problem? What do they do about it? Seeing the problem in different ways is likely to help you find an effective solution. And step 3. Set goals. Once you have thought about the problem from different angles, you can identify your goals. What is that you want to achieve? Sometimes you might get so frustrated by a problem that you forget to think about what you want. It is important at the time to consider the question, what is my immediate goal? So working out your goal is a vital part of the problem solving process. Step 4. Look at alternatives. When you have decided what your goal is, you need to look for possible solution. The more possible solution you find, the more likely it is that you will be able to discover an effective solution. You can brainstorm for ideas. The purpose of brainstorming it is collect together a long list of possibilities. It does not matter whether the ideas are useful or practical or manageable. Just write down the ideas as they come into your head. Some of the best solutions arise from creative thinking during brainstorming. You can also seek ideas about possible solutions from friends, family, a partner, a counselor, books, or the internet. The aim is to collect as many alternative solutions as possible. Select a possible solution. Step 5. From the list of possible solutions, you can sort out which are most relevant to your situation and which are realistic and manageable. You can do this by predicting outcomes for possible solution and also checking with other people what they think the outcomes might be. Step 6. Implement possible a solution. Once you have selected a possible solution, you are ready to put into an action. You will need to have energy and motivation to do this because implementing the solutions may take some time and effort. If the solution had been easy to find and do, you would have probably already done it. You can prepare yourself to implement the solution by planning when and how you will do it, whether you will talk with others about it, and what rewards you will give yourself when you have done it. Step 7. Evaluate. Just because you have worked your way through the problem solving process, it does not mean that by implementing the possible solution you automatically solve your problem. So evaluating the effectiveness of your solution is very important. You can ask yourself and others, how effective was the solution? Did it achieve what I wanted? And what consequences did it have and my solution? If the solution was successful in helping you solve your problem and reach your goal, then you know that have effectively solved your problem. If you feel dissatisfied with the result, then you have begin the steps again. Viewing the problem solving as a cycle may help you recognize that problem solving is a way of searching for a solution which will lead to different possible solution which you can evaluate. If you have solved the problem, you have found an effective solution. If you judge the problem has not been solved, you can look for and try alternative possibilities by beginning the problem solving cycle again. Thank you.